this one?
A.
Do you already know A?
Yes.
Super.
I already know him.
Do you already know this one?
Yes. Yes.
Dot. So this is so easy. And then these two, we already sounded them out. So let's see if we can read this together. It is, but it's not one of our sight words. Yes, sir.
It's teacher.
Why did I put that? Why did I put that? That's a new one. That's one we learned last week. Okay. Here we go, everybody. On the sentence, we're gonna go like this, and then when Lozano goes like that, it means we say it fast. Ready? Everybody. Say it fast. Who got something? What did she get? Very good. Here's the next one. Do we know any words here?
Yes.
Which one do we know? Is.
And hot.
One at a time, guys. All right.
Mom.
The only sight word here is.
Mom.
Do we know this sound? This is the same sound we hear in the. It is, sweetie. It is. And it would be really easy for me to say, guys, this is this. Okay, give me 5. Give me 5. My goal is to make you the best readers. And if I just give you the answer, and I say, oh, Lisbeth, that's this. I'm not going to teach you what to do whenever you get to the hard word. What about when you get to the word thesaurus? That's going to be tricky. So I'm going to tell you what I do when I get to a tricky word. All right? Ready, Kayla? Don't worry about Michaela. Michaela, are you ready to join us?
That's why.
Boys and girls, look at the. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the? The. Now look at this. What is this? Do you see one? Do you see this? What is that? Is. So what if we put the together with this? What do we get? This. Very good. So next time you look at this, that's a good idea. Go for it. Go ahead. As long as you see, you show me that that's what you're doing. Okay? So what was this word, boys and girls?
This.
And every time you see this, what word are you going to think about? The. And this one? Can we put it together? This. Are you ready to read the sentence? Here we go. This. Very good. Let's see what this one said. What did this one say? Very good. I'm going to pick a very quiet student who has not been interrupting or anything like that to show me if she knows what it says. Annette, are you ready? Here we go. Super. Can we say it fast? Very good. And it's not important to say it like we're in a race, but we do have to say it fast enough to understand what we're reading, okay, guys? The next person I'm going to pick. I like the way Kayla said yes, ma'am. That's one of our ideas. Kayla, you want to try the sentence?
Yes,
go ahead.
Wet.
This is a rule breaker. And whenever you see this word, this is going to be one of our sight words. And actually, I think we already learned this.
What?
Not yet. This is what. Very good. I like the way that you remembered that.
What is on the hen?
Now let's read it fluently.
What is on the hen?
Very good. What kind of question is that? A telling or an asking?
It's an asking.
Very good, Kayla. Awesome, guys.
Teacher,
It has a question mark. That's what tells us. Bianca, what are you going to be doing first? Okay, Christina, have a seat so the students in the back of you can see.
we're gonna learn this.
Eyes on Kayla. She's a speaker.
Kayla!
I'm sorry, Bianca. She's a speaker.
Did you mix up with Kayla and Bianca?
I sure do. But thank you for reminding me.
Last time we're gonna learn this one. And you got, and it says go right here.
Yes, that's actually the new word we're going to be learning on Wednesday. The word is go. Very good observation, Bianca. Bianca, got it correct this time. All right, give me a thumbs up if you're ready to go to the tables. Before we do, yes, Christina.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Show me. They're special.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
special. All right. Let me see who remembers best what we learned today. Boys, this is for boys only, but only the boys that are sitting in body check, not the ones that are not. Okay? Boys, letter did we learn about today?
H.
Good job. Girls, what sound did the letter we learn about today make? Girls? Boys, what animal made the sound of our letter?
Hound dog.
The hound dog. Very good. Girls, what animal looks like a pig but starts with an H, girls?
Hog.
Very good, boys and girls. And what thing do we live in, everybody? What do we live in that starts with an H? We live in the United States of America. What rhymes with mouse and starts with an H? Very good. Awesome. Very good. Raise your hand if you're the leader for the yellow group. Valeria, go ahead and stand over here because I'm going to be giving you the yellow group's folders. Raise your hand if you're the leader for the green group. Go ahead and stand right here. Raise your hand if you're the leader for the blue group.
Standing up.
Excuse me. And raise your hand if you're the leader for the red group.
I know that
Nathaniel? Is Nathaniel? Okay, you can be the leader for today. I'm going to get the folders for you. Give me 1 second.
I'm the leader. And the green one. And the green one. Oh yeah.
Okay.
And the green. And the green.
Okay, give me 5 if you're not the leader.
Where is it gonna be?
I'm going to give Enrique a blue folder. Give me 5 if you're not the leader.
The blue folder.
Christina, give me 5.
No, it's red.
Are you ready to see what you're going to be doing at the tables today?
Yes, ma'am.
With Ms. Lozano, you're going to be reading one of the books at your level today. Christina, have a seat. Thank you. At the centers group, you'll be able to explore any of the centers that we have. But of course, you know what you're supposed to do at each center because it was taught to you at the beginning of the year. If you have a question, ask your neighbor. Are you ready, Kelly? Kelly, yes, because she's playing with Josue. Hold on. This is the assignments for your table. Now, boys and girls, I'm only going to show you one because everybody has this activity, Luis. Are you ready? Listening now is going to help you not interrupt my table. All right? What do you see here, boys and girls?
A hat.
A hat. In the hat, you're going to be writing as many H beginning sound words as you can, Daniel.
Oh, I know.
You're going to think real hard inside your brain of all the words you've ever heard in your whole life that start with all right? And you're going to write them. Do you think you're going to write them huge where they don't fit or a little bit small?
A little bit small.
Super. Now, boys and girls, in the back, you're going to have another activity. All right? When you finish, I'm going to help you. I know this is your first day back, but I'm going to help you, okay?
Is gonna be in the green group?
I'm going to find this group right now, okay? Don't worry, guys, all right? Bianca, ready? Jose. Now, boys and girls, here we have 2 words. These are words that we've seen. I'm going to wait for Josue and Luis. Sweetie, can you step a little bit to the side? One of the words says up. Carlos?
P and U.
U and P. And the other word says down. What you're going to do, if the... Sweetie, stop. If it's pointing up, you're going to write the word up. If it's going down, you're going to write the word down. What sound do you hear at the beginning of down? D. What sound do you hear at the beginning of up? So you know which word you're going to write. Give me a thumbs up if you know what you're going to be doing right now. Do not do this until you know that you already thought of all the words in the world that started with H. All right? And you're going to write them. If you want to color your hat brown lightly, you can. And I want it lightly because if it's dark, I won't be able to see your beautiful words. At the end, when everyone's done, I'm going to ask everyone to get their hat, and we're going to count to see who has the most words. Okay?
We're gonna cut it?
No, you're not going to cut it, and everybody has the same assignment, so I don't have to tell you about the other group. Okay? Ready? The next group, yellow group, everybody's going to have these pictures, but everybody's going to do something different. All right? Kayla, Luis. I'm going to count to 3. I made a mistake again. Sweetie Bianca. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Christina, reflection area, please. Yellow group, you're going to cut out the picture and glue it on the square if it starts with a sound. Okay? Yellow group, give me a thumbs up if you got that. Yellow group? Where's my yellow group?
Yellow group.
When Nathaniel comes back.
Yellow group.
When Nathaniel comes back.
Andy,